That is a kind of thing two couples should have.
Yeah.
That they understand each other. And one thing, if relationships are like based on their looks, you should actually never
Get into it.
get
yeah.
into it.
Yeah,
Never.
absolutely.
Because a person can change their looks anytime. Anything can happen. And low phase aa jata hai kabhi life
Yeah.
mein. To bilkul hi, you know, I've
Change
seen
ho
people
jata hai.
getting changed. But they get back to on their feet. But never like be in a relationship in terms of looks.
Yeah.
You should love that person through heart.
Unconditional.
Unconditional, like totally.
Right.
When they were at 70 kgs, then love them on their 200 kgs too.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait for them to be in that condition again so that they can improve themselves again. They can improve mentally. They can work upon themselves again. You should actually be with them at that point of a time because you are the one whom they need the most at that time. अगर तुम ही नहीं हो, then I mean, yeah, it's really bad कि तुम उनके साथ जब नहीं हो जब उनको ज़रूरत थी and तुम उनके साथ सिर्फ जब हो जब वो अपने बेस्ट पे और जब तुम्हें वो चीज़ें मिल रही है.
Yeah.
So never be like that. I would never be with such kind of a people जो कि ऐसे मेरी ही गर्लफ्रेंड को डिफेम कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
And everyone like जो मेरे अराउंड है उनको इस चीज़ के बारे में पता है. I never let them speak about my girl.
When you have a partner, now we all also have other relationships in our lives. We have a brother, we'll have like parents. When we fight with them, no one thinks of like breaking up with your brother or with your parents,
Yeah,
right?
that's true actually.
But when you have a partner, just because you are fighting with them, arey, break up. It doesn't work like that. If you consider your partner
That's
also as family,
Yeah, that's a low mentality.
then you should not have that mentality of like giving up that easy, unless maybe something extreme has happened, one can understand.
Right.
But you know, some ups and downs are a part of it. And when we don't give up on our family, then why do we give up on our
You
partner?
should never, yeah.
So that's such a beautiful thought.